Welcome back to the channel everyone, where we explore machines that redefine adventure, engineering, and the very meaning of freedom. Today, we are taking a deep dive into one of the most extreme vehicles ever created, a truck that's built not just for the road, not just for the wilderness, but for the harshest corners of our planet. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6, a truck that blends military-grade toughness with luxury expedition capability, and a vehicle that looks as intimidating as it is functional. If you've ever wondered what happens when uncompromising engineering collides with the dream of exploring every corner of the Earth, this is it. The Zetros has always been Mercedes-Benz's answer to the question, how far can we push mobility? Originally developed as a heavy-duty truck capable of supporting militaries and industries in extreme conditions, the Zetros quickly gained recognition for its ability to handle terrain where most vehicles simply give up. Now in 2026, Mercedes has taken that DNA and infused it with new technology, modern design, and luxury features that transform this machine into one of the most capable overland vehicles on the planet. First, let's talk about the sheer presence of this truck. The 2026 Zetros 6x6 looks like a rolling fortress, with its towering stance, massive off-road tires, and rugged body designed to shrug off the harshest environments. This isn't just about looks, every inch of its design has a purpose. The ground clearance is enormous, allowing the Zetros to glide over rocks, sand dunes, and river crossings. Its approach and departure angles are engineered for extreme off-road capability, meaning it can climb slopes that would stop most four-wheel drives in their tracks. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the beast. Buyers can choose between two turbocharged diesel powertrains, a 7.7-liter straight-six or the monstrous 15.6-liter engine. Power ranges from around 330 horsepower all the way up to 510 horsepower, but the real story is torque, up to 2,500 Nm of it. That kind of twisting force is what lets the Zetros pull heavy loads, claw its way up impossible inclines, and haul an expedition rig weighing many tons without breaking a sweat. Of course, all this power would be meaningless without control, and that's where the six-wheel drive system comes in. The Zetros 6x6 uses a full-time all-wheel drive setup with differential locks, ensuring that every wheel can be engaged to maximize traction. Whether you're on sand, mud, snow, or uneven rock, this drivetrain keeps the truck moving forward with unstoppable determination. The Zetros has always been known as a workhorse for industries and defense forces, but the 2026 version adds a layer of comfort and sophistication never seen before in this line. Step inside the cabin, and you immediately notice that Mercedes has given it a true luxury makeover. Gone are the purely utilitarian dashboards of the past. In their place, you find ergonomic seating, advanced infotainment, climate control, and a cockpit designed for both long-haul comfort and complete control over the vehicle's massive capabilities. But where things get truly interesting is in the rear. The Zetros 6x6 can be configured as a full expedition motorhome. Imagine an interior that rivals a luxury apartment, but built to withstand the most brutal conditions on Earth. The living quarters include a spacious lounge that doubles as a dining area, a full kitchen with induction cooking and refrigeration, and a separate sleeping area that feels more like a boutique hotel room than an off-road truck. The bathroom is equipped with a rainfall shower, a modern vanity, and eco-friendly water recycling systems that allow you to stay off-grid for weeks at a time. The autonomy of this vehicle is astounding. With fuel tanks holding hundreds of liters of diesel, solar panels integrated into the roof, and battery storage systems to run all onboard electronics, the Zetros 6x6 is designed to take you off the beaten path and keep you there as long as you desire. Freshwater and greywater tanks provide extended independence, and smart monitoring systems let you know exactly how your resources are being used. Technology is another area where the 2026 Zetros shines. The truck is loaded with advanced driver assistance features, from adaptive cruise control to collision avoidance and lane management. For expedition drivers, there's a full suite of terrain management systems, cameras covering every angle of the vehicle, and even drone integration to scout terrain ahead or help you maneuver in tight spots. This isn't just brute force, it's intelligence and technology working together to make exploration easier and safer. And for those who need the ultimate in protection, Mercedes offers an armored cab option, developed in collaboration with leading defense manufacturers. This factory-installed armor provides ballistic and mine protection, meaning that the Zetros isn't just for adventurers, it's also suited for governments, aid organizations, and security operations in the toughest environments. Now, let's talk about size. The Zetros 6x6 is enormous, stretching close to 10 meters long and towering over most vehicles on the road. It can carry payloads of 20 to 30 tons depending on configuration, making it not just a motorhome but also a serious heavy hauler. Yet despite its size, engineers have optimized the wheelbase for maneuverability, allowing it to handle surprisingly tight turns for such a massive machine. Driving the Zetros is unlike anything else. You sit high above the ground, commanding a view that makes highways and trails alike feel like miniature models beneath you. The suspension is engineered to absorb the shocks of rugged terrain, keeping the ride surprisingly comfortable even when the road disappears entirely. It's not a vehicle for casual city driving, but when it comes to long-distance expeditions, it offers a sense of control and security that very few machines can match. Of course, such a machine doesn't come cheap. The base price for a 2026 Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6 starts at around $300,000, but with full expedition and luxury configurations, it can easily surpass $700,000 or more. For many, this will be out of reach, but for those who can afford it, the Zetros offers something that money normally can't buy: the ability to go anywhere, anytime, and bring the comfort of home along with you. The Zetros 6x6 isn't for everyone. It's not meant to squeeze into tight city streets, and it demands an experienced driver to handle its size and weight. Fuel consumption is significant, and maintaining such a machine is a serious commitment. But for adventurers, explorers, and professionals who need the ultimate combination of power, durability, and comfort, it's a dream vehicle. So what does the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6 represent? It's more than just a truck. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, of our desire to push boundaries and explore the unknown. It's a rolling fortress, a luxury apartment, and a survival machine all in one. Whether you see it as the ultimate overland vehicle, a high-tech motorhome, or a tool for extreme environments, one thing is certain: it's unlike anything else on the road. That's our deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Zetros 6x6. If you enjoyed this breakdown of one of the most incredible machines of our time, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments, if you had the chance, where would you take this monster of a vehicle first? Across deserts, through mountains, or deep into frozen tundras? Share your thoughts, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep chasing adventure and keep your wheels rolling forward.